Sorry guys, I accidentally clicked exit out of video instead of play video. Whoa! But we teleported on the boat, bruh. If you didn't know, this boat is disgusting. There's all this on the floor. It's not mine. So, I don't have a boat. All I have is a dirt bike. And I bet a lot of you guys are wanting proof of my dirt bike. So I'll show you proof of my dirt bike in a second. Whoa, you scared me. Hold on, I want to show them proof that I got a dirt bike. Whoa. This is my house.
Yeah, that's house.
I got a green machine, if you don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Scooter, if you don't know what that is.
Yeah.
A garden, if you don't know what that is.
Yeah. So you got this
A ladder, if you don't know what that is. Ground, if you don't know what that is.
Look at this dirt bike. You can go.
And you don't know my address, so never mind.
Yeah.
Boy, look at that dirt bike.
Yeah.
Now I told you my city and my state, but I'm not going to show you my address. My dad ran a marathon versus Mount 26.2. Proof that I got a dirt bike.
I just tried it.
You're disgusting.
I'm touching.
Yeah. If there's anywhere in this video or any video that has my address, I'm going to blur that out.
Yeah.
Because I sort of just started recording outside. See if that one video is finished uploading.
Ricky.
Oh, my Wawa gift card.
Oh my God, that's you did that outside.
Alright, bye guys. I'll see you in another video later.